the vlogs Javona, they are not worth it. Guys, I think in life we have to understand that we need to move on, we need to grow up as people, and also the people that you're watching, they grow up and they're normal human beings. Remember that they're human beings. I mean, you can't say they're not creative enough. What are you creating, go vlog? Why do you need creativity? Because it's more like online diary. It goes down to Pinkies. It goes down to personality. If ever you don't relate to this creator anymore, then don't watch. It's simple like that. Don't go online like recruiting some hate. I I'm not saying that the girl was recruiting some hate, but saying that they are not creative enough. What's there to be creative about? I mean, I can cook pap nane karama, and then whenever I cook a salt or I cook at the end of the day it's still pap. This is what these girls are giving you on vlogs. I mean, I'll give example. Tando Hadebe is like humble lifestyle, working hard, doing whatnot. I get Kolika Bashi is about life yako Sante in Branston. She says she's staying in Branston. You see that. Sine Google it, I think it's about being a wife, being a homemaker. K Yams also is about just being a good girl. Like your stars are aligning. If you align with that, you watch that. I get Mitali used to not vlog, but she used to create makeup videos, and then I think she realized that people are no longer watching the way they used to watch, so she just moved on to Instagram and then just forget a little bit about YouTube because the core audience, I think she lost the core audience, the people that grow with her. So if you grow up, ne, and you grow out of something, it's okay, guys. I used to watch Nandini Malela every now and then, but then she stopped posting. And then I don't watch anymore. I used to watch, who's the girl? Jackie Aina. She's no longer posting. And I stopped watching also. Even if she posts, I won't go and watch. I used to watch, who's the guy? There was a girl that I used to watch a lot, doing vlogs from America. Now I don't watch it anymore. Whether she posts, I just scroll past it because the content I don't relate. Like she grew in a different direction. I also grew in a different direction. So just give them grace because these girls are working very hard to give you a 1 hour vlog. These girls are producing 1 hour vlog every single week. Come on, guys. Just give some grace and just pat them at the back saying you're doing well, sis. They're doing well. YouTube is hard. Ask me, I know. I'm still struggling to get 400,000 watch hours. Bye.